This tutorial will show you how to create an on-the-fly assessment. On-the-fly assessments are designed to be quick checks, like an exit ticket or a quick quiz or a verbal quiz or just a verbal check for understanding. Please note that the data does not save automatically. You must click to save it as an assessment. You'll see what I mean as we go through this tutorial. So to begin, click on Assessments and create a new assessment. Make sure that On the Fly is selected and then put how many questions are in your assessment. Then click OK. On this screen you can see there are 3 steps into creating and viewing the results of your On the Fly assessment. The first step is to put in your answer key. As you can see right now, I am manually putting in the answer key. However, also note that there is an option to scan in a bubble sheet by just clicking Continue Without and scanning in a bubble sheet with the correct answers bubbled in. The next step after all of your answer key is in here, click on Scan Student Responses. When scanning student responses into Illuminate, there are 2 options. You can do it in teacher mode or student mode. The difference, when we do in teacher mode, you'll be able to see a list of all of the students' responses. In student mode, it's when you have your students scan it and they can see just their responses. So to start this, you need to click Continue Without, as long as you're using Chrome as your browser. And I'm going to first do it in the teacher mode so that you can see what that looks like. And then I'm going to switch to student mode. Now for this particular one, it says student not found. When your students scan it, as long as you print your answer sheets with the pre-slugged, it will actually say your student's name here. Now to see your results, you need to go back into teacher mode, and this is just saying you're going back into teacher mode. Confidential data will be shown, so click yes, and then click on Save and View Results. This now will just give you a quick snapshot of how your class did. 2 nice features down here, a score distribution so you can see overall how your kids did. Also realizing that right here your students' names will appear. And then you can also click on response frequency to see how your class did on each question so that you can check for understanding and see maybe what needs to be retaught. If you want to keep this data housed in Illuminate, you have to click on Save as an Assessment. If you were to exit out of this assessment at this point without clicking this, all of your data would be lost. Once you click on Save as an Assessment, it now takes you into manual assessment mode where you will have to title your assessment and do all of the filters as we would do in manual assessment. To learn more about how to create a manual assessment, check out the tutorial on creating a basic manual assessment. This ends the tutorial on how to create an on-the-fly assessment.